Hello everyone. In our last video, we have seen the types of design and we have seen what are the different types of designs are available. So in our today's video, we are going to learn what are the definitions of these different types of design. So we will first start with our first type of design, that is original design. Now, when it comes to know the meaning of original design, what is the meaning? So basically, original design is also known as innovative design. So if you want to develop any new concept which is completely new, and that concept if you are developing, that could be considered as an original design. Like the invention of microprocessor, that was an original design. Like the different example of VR devices, that was an original design. Zomato, Swiggy, it was a service design example which was completely new concept. Here you can see in the picture that yes, this is one of the most important example in terms of original design. Another example you can see from the picture, that a complete new type of invention is being launched here in the form of dining table. Now this was all about the original design. Now comes to the second type of design, and that is adaptive design. Adaptive design, it means that like when you know one solution, right, and you are just using that solution into another application, that type of design is known as adaptive design. Like you can use the pen for writing, and you can use the same pen for tying hair, for using the pen as a hanger, right? So basically what is happening in the adaptive design, so in traditional design what we are doing, we are just designing, then we are conducting and we are analyzing the use of the particular product, and we are just using it. But in adaptive design we are just going one step ahead, and what is happening, we are just designing the product, then conductive, and again we are checking and reviewing where we can use the existing solution, and we are just applying the solution with respect to that product. Like your mother, she is using a single cloth or simple cloth of your that which you guys are not using into another application. Like she is making mopping, she is using the same cloth for the mopping purpose as well, right? That was the perfect example of adaptive design. Now when it comes to third type of design, that design is known as redesign, where the existing product is there, and what you are doing, you are just making changes in the feature, and based upon that feature change, it is considered as a redesign. Like you can see the example here, like what happened in 1971, Nike has launched their logo. Then in 1978 it was again redesigned, then 1985, and now currently you can see the arrow only, right? One more example is the here you can see the logo design of Yahoo. It is being redesigning at frequent of intervals. Then here Pizza Hut. And one more example I just want to give you, here you can see the previous Baleno, right? What was happening, the previous Baleno was coming with an example of a sedan class car, but what company did, company utilized the concept of Baleno, and they have again redesigned the car and launched a hatchback version. So these are the perfect example of redesign. Now when we move to the next type of design, that design name is selection design. So what is happening in the selection design, if iPhone wants to develop the complete iPhone, right? So iPhone is developing certain components, they are not developing the complete mobile. So what iPhone people will do, they will just design the iPhone component specification, and they will try to purchase those specification from other vendors, right? So what is happening, those standard components which is being supplied by the vendors and other designers, they are using those components in their design. This type of design is known as selection design. Like you can see the example of screw, bolts, computer chips, mobile battery, etc. Now the next type of design and the last type of fifth type of design is industrial design. And what does the mean of industrial design? So industrial design basically deals with the visual appeal of the product. Visual appeal of the product, what does it mean? Means if you have designed a single product, let's take an example of a water bottle. You designed a water bottle. Now what you are going to do, you are going to enhance the aesthetics of that water bottle, right? you just design hundreds of water bottles in different color. So these type of design comes under the industrial design concept. So basically what you have to remember, you just have to design a single product and then play with it aesthetics, right? So this is the complete summary of different types of design. Thank you so much.